There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Dodge Durango SXT Blacktop in Destroyer Gray. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, delete roof rack, blind spot and crosspath detection, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6678.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.